My baby's first birthday, I want to share this card that I made. So there's a QR code on the video pronunciation, but when you flip to the back, I explain everything with the stroke order, little notes about the vowel or the consonant. And this is the ah, as an air going up, ah sound. And we have a word, 아기, that's a baby, right? So we have a color-coded sentence example, 아기가 귀여워요 as well. So there's a little explanation that I can make about the reason I'm using the subject particle 가, because I'm looking at a particular baby, pointing out to the particular baby, and I say, oh, this baby is cute. That's what it means. If I'm using 아기는 귀여워요 with the topic particle, that will mean a general statement, babies are cute. But what is implied here is babies are cute in general, probably not this baby, let's say. So when you're using adjectives with the topic particle, it implies some level of contrast. So generally speaking, if you're going to be pointing at baby and say the baby's cute, 아기가 귀여워요. And general condition statements like this with adjectives, you're going to be choosing subject particle over topic particles.